Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, the place where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mira.
Hello. Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. We are very happy to see you today. Ha ha.
Yes, thank you so much for watching our video. Alex, how are you today?
Oh, I'm doing very well. Thank you, Mira. I feel fresh and happy today. Ha ha. How about you?
I'm great. I feel good and healthy today. Oh, and I'm excited to practice English with you.
That's wonderful. Mira, today feels like a good day, right?
Yes, it does. A good day to smile, a good day to talk, and a good day to learn English.
I agree. Hello, everyone. How are you today? Are you feeling good?
We hope you are feeling happy and healthy. Please relax and enjoy this lesson with us.
Yes. You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking with us.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. We learn step by step.
Exactly. So let's start our English conversation together.
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Mira, can I ask you something?
Of course, Alex. What is it?
How are you feeling today? Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling good today. Thank you for asking. How about you, Alex?
I'm feeling fine too. I feel healthy and relaxed today. Oh, that makes me happy.
That's great to hear. Alex, are you tired today?
A little tired. But overall, I feel okay.
Oh, I see. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well. I slept for 8 hours.
Wow, that's good. Good sleep is very important for health.
Yes, it is. Mira, do you feel any pain today?
No, I don't feel any pain. I feel comfortable and fine.
That's nice. Are you feeling sick today?
No, I'm not sick. I feel healthy.
I'm happy to hear that. It's always good to ask about health.
Yes, asking how are you or how do you feel is very polite.
That's right. So everyone, let's practice together.
You can say, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling okay, or I'm not feeling well.
Oh, yes. These are very useful sentences in daily life.
Health is important, so always ask and always care. Alex, let's talk about daily habits.
Oh, yes. Daily habits are very important for health.
That's right. Alex, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Oh, very good. I wake up early too. Early mornings make me feel fresh.
Yes. After that, I drink a glass of water.
Oh, that's a healthy habit. I do the same.
Mira, do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. Breakfast is very important.
Yes. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
Yum! I like fruit and milk in the morning.
That sounds healthy. Mira, do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do light exercise at home. I stretch my body for 10 minutes.
Oh, nice. I go for a short walk every morning.
Walking is very good for health.
Yes, it keeps the body active. Mira, what do you do during the day?
During the day, I work and study. I also drink a lot of water.
Ha ha ha. Water again. Water is very important.
Yes, good habits make us healthy and happy.
In the evening, I relax a little. I talk with my family.
Oh, that's nice. I read a book or listen to music in the evening.
That sounds relaxing. Mira, what time do you sleep?
I sleep early at night. Good sleep is a good habit.
Haha, yes, I try to sleep early too.
So, everyone, let's practice together.
You can say, I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I sleep early.
Simple habits, simple English.
Practice every day and stay healthy.
Alex, let's talk about food and health today.
Oh, yes. Food is very important for good health.
That's right. Alex, what kind of food do you like?
I like healthy food. I like fruits and vegetables.
Oh, nice. I like apples, bananas, and oranges.
Yum! Fruits are good for the body.
Yes, they give us energy. Alex, do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day. I like carrots and tomatoes.
That's very healthy. Vegetables keep us strong.
Mira, what do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I eat eggs and fruit. I also drink milk.
Oh, that sounds healthy. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
Good breakfast, good day.
Yes. Mira, do you drink water during the day?
Yes, I drink a lot of water. Water is very important for health.
Oh, yes. I try to drink water again and again.
Good habit. Alex, do you eat junk food?
Sometimes, yes, but not every day.
Oh, that's good. Too much junk food is not healthy.
Yes, I agree. Healthy food makes us feel good.
Everyone, let's practice together.
You can say, I eat healthy food. I like fruits and vegetables. I drink water every day.
Very easy and very useful.
Eat well, feel good, and speak English every day.
Alex, let's talk about exercise.
Oh, yes. Exercise is very good for health.
That's true. Alex, do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try to exercise every day. It makes my body strong.
Oh, that's great. What kind of exercise do you do?
I go for a walk in the morning.
I walk for 30 minutes.
Wow! Walking is a very good exercise.
Yes, it is easy and good for everyone.
Alex, do you like running?
Sometimes. Running is a little hard for me.
Oh, I understand. I like light exercise.
What kind of exercise do you do, Mira?
I do stretching at home. I stretch my arms and legs.
Oh, nice. Stretching feels very relaxing.
Yes, it helps my body feel fresh.
Mira, do you exercise in the morning or evening?
I exercise in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
That's great. I sometimes exercise in the evening.
That's okay. Morning or evening, exercise is good.
Yes, even a little exercise is better than nothing.
That's true. Everyone can do simple exercise.
Now let's practice together.
You can say, I exercise every day. I go for a walk. I do stretching.
Easy sentences, easy English.
Move your body, stay healthy, and keep practicing English. Alex, let's give some simple health advice today.
Oh, yes. Simple advice is very helpful.
That's right. Alex, what is your health advice?
My advice is very simple. Eat healthy food every day.
Oh, that's good advice. Healthy food makes us strong.
Yes. Also, drink a lot of water.
Water again. Water is very important for the body.
That's true. Mira, what is your health advice?
My advice is to exercise a little every day. You don't need to do a lot.
Oh, yes. Even a short walk is good.
Exactly. Move your body and stay active.
Mira, do you have more advice?
Yes, sleep well at night.
Oh, good one. Good sleep helps the body rest.
Yes, and wake up feeling fresh.
My next advice is to eat on time. Don't skip meals.
I agree. Skipping meals is not good.
Also, try to relax. Don't worry too much.
Oh, yes. Smile and stay positive.
Good health is not hard.
Yes, small habits make a big difference.
Now, everyone, let's practice together.
You can say, eat healthy food, drink water, exercise every day, sleep well.
Very easy and very useful.
Follow this simple advice and stay healthy.
And keep learning English with Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
Alex, let's talk about sleep today.
Oh, yes. Sleep is very important for good health.
That's true. Alex, how many hours do you sleep at night?
I usually sleep about 8 hours. Good sleep makes me feel fresh.
Oh, that's great. 8 hours is very good.
Yes. Mira, how about you?
I try to sleep early every night. I like to sleep before 10 p.m.
Oh, wow. That's a very healthy habit.
Yes, when I sleep early, I wake up happy and relaxed.
That sounds nice. Mira, do you use your phone before sleep?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Oh, yes. Using the phone too much is not good before sleep.
That's right. I like to read a book before sleeping.
Oh, that's a good idea. Reading helps the mind relax.
Alex, do you feel tired if you don't sleep well?
Yes, very tired. I feel sleepy all day.
Oh, same here. Good sleep gives us energy.
Mira, do you take a short nap during the day?
Yes, sometimes. A short nap makes me feel better.
Haha, me too, but not too long.
Yes, too much sleep in the day is not good.
So, everyone, sleep is very important.
Let's practice some sentences together.
You can say, I sleep 8 hours. I sleep early. I feel tired. I feel fresh.
Easy sentences, easy English.
Sleep well, stay healthy, and keep practicing English.
Alex, it looks like our conversation is coming to an end today.
Oh, yes. I had so much fun talking about health, habits, and food. How about you, Mira?
Me too. It was very interesting and fun. I hope everyone enjoyed learning English with us.
Mira, how do we end a conversation politely in English?
We can say things like, "Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care and stay healthy."
Oh, yes. We can also say, goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day. Stay happy and safe.
Exactly. Ending politely shows respect and kindness. It makes everyone feel good.
Yes, and we can also tell our viewers to take action in a nice way. Mira, what can we say?
We can say, don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends.
Oh, yes. It helps us make more fun English lessons for everyone.
And we can remind viewers to practice English every day. Even small sentences help a lot.
Exactly. Practice a little every day, and your English will get better and better.
So now let's end together politely.
Thank you for watching Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Take care and stay healthy. Bye-bye, everyone. Keep smiling and stay happy.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful and healthy day.
Yes, don't forget, English is fun and easy when you practice every day.
See you soon in our next video, friends. Stay happy, stay healthy.